Jai Gurudev students. So you can see in my board I have given one word problem. So we need to solve it out. Okay, so let's read it first. Rita went for shopping with rupees 15 in her purse. When she came back after shopping, she was left with rupees 5. How much did she spend on shopping? আরেকবার পড়া যাক। Rita went for shopping with rupees 15. Rita shopping করতে গেছিল 15 rupees নিয়ে বা 15 টাকা নিয়ে। In her purse, তার ব্যাগের মধ্যে 15 টাকা নিয়ে সে শপিং করতে গেছিল। When she came back after shopping, যখন সে শপিং থেকে ফিরে এসেছিল, she was left with rupees 5. তার কাছে কত টাকা ছিল? শুধু 5 টাকা ছিল। How much did she spend on shopping? তাহলে সে শপিং এ কত টাকা খরচ করেছিল? You can take an example of your life also. Suppose you have gone to shop and you need to purchase a copy, any kind of copy, Bengali copy, English copy, Hindi copy or maths copy, any kind of copy you need to purchase. When you were going for the purchase purpose, you had 15 rupees with you, and after purchasing you see that only 5 rupees left with you, and when you came back to your home you find that okay, only 5 rupees left, but I had taken 15 rupees. That means আমি 15 টাকা নিয়ে গেছিলাম, আমার কাছে এখন 5 টাকা বাকি রয়েছে। That means বাকিটা কি হয়েছে? স্পেন্ড করে দিয়েছি বা খরচ করে দিয়েছি। তাহলে আমি কত টাকা খরচ করেছি যদি জিজ্ঞেস করে? How much money did I spend? Yes, rupees 10. How we find it out? See, when we left the room or when we left our place to purchase a thing, we have 15 rupees. Now I have 5 rupees. That means from that 15 rupees a certain amount has been taken, and after that only 5 left. ধরো তোমাকে আমি 5টা কলম দিলাম, দিয়ে এখান থেকে 3টা আমি নিয়ে নিলাম, তারপরে তো তোমার কাছে 2টা থাকবে। So how to find out that how much pens I have taken? In this way, how to find out that how much money has spent or had spent, কত টাকা সে খরচ করে ফেলেছে বা করেছিল। That means আমার কাছে যে টাকাটা রয়েছে আমি ওটার থেকে এটাকে মাইনাস করব। কিভাবে বের করব? 15 minus 5. So 15 minus 5 করলে কত হবে? Rupees 10. That means this one is the answer. Means this much money we have spent or Rita have spent. Now the thing is that you are in class 3. So rupees 15 and 5 definitely you will not get. You will get a 3-digit number or 4-digit number as you have practiced it. Rupees 840. Now she was left with, suppose, rupees 58.65. That means 58 rupees 65 paise. How to do it? Children, first of all we need to what you need to do actually, you need to pause the video, and after that you need to write the question in your copies, and after that you follow the class, and which I am telling or which I am writing, keep it in mind and copy it in your copies also. So at first I need to remove I need to rub the board because I have very less space in my board, so I am rubbing this. And children, remember one thing, we need to write the statement also. Why? I know during this situation we are at home and we are attending all the tests in online mode, okay, where we need to just select the right answer, and after that we are getting the score or we are increasing the score, right? But we don't know what things come in our near future. Okay, maybe in March you need to go to school and you need to give the exam, so better we should prepare for the next one. We should prepare for the real one which you or which we need to face in our coming future. Okay, so let's start. Renuka went for, sorry, not Renuka, it is Rita. So when it comes for money, টাকার ব্যাপারে যখন আসছি, we should use 2 letters, so not not 2 letters, 2 words actually. We should use 2 words, one amount and the second one is cost or price. When you have been provided by price of a thing or a cost of a thing, বা কোনো জিনিসের দাম দেয়া হলো, then you will write cost. And when you are provided with a certain amount which has been maybe taken or maybe you have collected from anyone, that at that time we need to write it amount. So we will write this one here, amount. So amount of money Rita had taken equals to rupees 840. And in next line, after shopping she had rupees 58.65. See students, every time you need not to write all the things after shopping, when she get back to his or her home, then she find rupees 58 and 65. No, after shopping this amount has been left. Okay, so in short we are writing after that, therefore how much money did she spend? Therefore she spent equals to rupees 840 minus rupees 58.65, and then we need to do the calculation. I am doing it here. Rupees 840 minus 58.65. So children, don't get confused when you have given in this way the figure in this way. Suppose rupees 840 and under it rupees 58.65. that means after point 2 number is there, that means after point paise will be there. In one amount maybe the paise has not been given, পয়সাটা দেয়া নেই. So what will we do? We will consider 2 zeros, because after point zeros are valueless until you provide a number here. Okay, so it will be discussed later. Now just remember this, after point 00 will be there. In case paise amount has not included, now what will we do? We will go for the common loan pattern. We will consider this as 10 because 5 can't be subtracted from 0, and after that 399. So 9 minus 6, okay, it will be done later. 3 minus 5, it is not possible, so it will be 13 and it will become 7. So 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 6 is 3, 9 minus 8 is 1, 13 minus 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 8, and 7 will be here, rupees 781, and the dot will be here before the last 2 digits, because in this two amount also a dot has been given before the last 2 digits. So we will write the answer here, rupees 781, and now we need to write the answer in words. So I am again rubbing it because I have less space in my board. So answer 0.35. Answer, what will we write? How much money did she spend? So she spent rupees 781.35 on shopping. Children, why I have written spent here, it will be discussed later in your coming years. I think you will have a chapter in English grammar called tense. There you can understand this thing, why I have written spent. Okay, so just remember this now for now, and in slowly you will get the basic idea. So going for the next one. So here is the second one. So we will read it. Mr. Sen bought a pair of shoes for rupees 10, a shirt for rupees 5, a tie for rupees 4, and a pair of socks for rupees 7. If he gave the shopkeeper a 20 rupee note, how much more he has to pay? See, in today's day, rupees 10, within rupees 10 a pair of shoes will not come, okay, or in rupees 5 shirt will not come. But we need to imagine. Why we are imagining this? Because we want to easier the process. We want to easier the process of understanding about any kind of word problems. Okay, so we are considering this. Now what they want to tell, see, at first some things has been purchased and their price has been given. Suppose Mr. Sen bought a pair of shoes, then a shirt, then a tie, and then a socks, and after that he gave to the shopkeeper a 20 rupee note. In this situation, two types of question will come or may come. Number one, if Mr. Sen gives maximum, not maximum actually, more than what the needs of the shopkeeper or what needs of the purchaser. কি বলেছি এরকম এখানে দুই রকমের প্রশ্ন আসতে পারে। একটা হচ্ছে গিয়ে যে মিস্টার সেন যদি যতটুকু দরকার তার থেকে যদি বেশি দেয়, সাপোজ সবটা মিলিয়ে দরকার হচ্ছে 15 রুপিস, এবার মিস্টার সেন কি করেছে 20 রুপিস দিয়েছে, তার মানে কি 15 থেকে বেশি দিয়েছে। and the next condition is that suppose the shopkeeper needed suppose rupees 30 but Mr. Sen has given rupees 20, সেই ক্ষেত্রে কি হবে, Mr. Sen need to pay more, and if Mr. Sen paid more what the needs are from the what the needs are, then the shopkeeper will return him. Mr. Sen যদি যতটুকু দরকার তার থেকে কম দেয় তাহলে মিস্টার সেনকে আরো দিতে হবে। সাপোজ যদি 30 টাকা হয় এবং মিস্টার সেন যদি 20 টাকা দেয় আরো 10 টাকা দিতে হবে। কিন্তু যদি মিস্টার সেন বেশি দেয়, যে দরকার হচ্ছে 20 টাকা, মিস্টার সেন দিয়েছে 50 টাকা, তখন শপকিপার ওকে ব্যাক করবে। বাট ইন দিস কোশ্চেন হোয়াট হ্যাজ বিন গিভেন, হাউ মাচ মোর হি হ্যাজ টু পে, দ্যাট মিনস মিস্টার সেন তার মানে নিশ্চয়ই কম দিয়েছে, এবার কত কম দিয়েছে সেটা আমাদের বের করতে হবে। হাউ উইল উই ফাইন্ড আউট দিস ওয়ান? We need to add all the purchasing items price, the cost. We need to add the costs of all the things like a pair of shoes, shirt, tie, pair of socks, these four things we need to add. 10 plus 5 plus 4 plus 7, so 10 plus 5 plus 4 plus 7, and rupee symbol will be there. So what will be the answer? 10 plus 5 equals to 10 plus 5 equals to 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, see 20 completed, and 26, and he gave rupees 20. That means how much less from the needs? 26 minus 20. That means this extra money Mr. Sen needs to pay to the shopkeeper. যতটুকু দরকার তার থেকে কি হয়েছে 6 টাকা কম দিয়েছে, 20 টাকা দিয়েছে, বাট নিড কত 26, তাহলে কত দিতে হবে 6 টাকা দেবে। তো কিভাবে এটা বের করব? From we will subtract the rupees which has been given by Mr. Sen from what actually shopkeeper needs. শপকিপার যত টাকা দরকার শপকিপারের তার থেকে মিস্টার সেন যত টাকা দিয়েছে সেটাকে মাইনাস করে দেব বা সাবট্রাক্ট করে দেব। নাও ইউ আর ইন ক্লাস 3, so 2 digit or 1 digit number will not come, you will get 3 digit numbers. So we need to write the actual amount. I am rubbing this. Rupees 256.35, 175.82, rupees 175.82, 73.50, tie for 3.50, and a pair of socks for rupees 43.80. if he gave the shopkeeper a 500 rupee note. See, now the question has been changed. What you need to do, you need to pause the video and you need to write it down at first. Okay, so I am rubbing the board, and after that we will start doing the maths, including statement also. So at first we need to write amount of money Mr. Sen spent. See, in my board space is minimum, that's why I am writing in next line. But if you want to write it in one line and after that all the things thoroughly you can write, then it is good. Okay, it will be good. Amount of money Mr. Sen spent to purchase a pair of shoes rupees 256.35 paise to purchase a shirt rupees 175.82 paise to purchase a tie equals to how much? 73 rupees 73.50 paise to purchase a pair of socks rupees 43.80 paise. So total amount equals to, or total spent, or total money spent. 5 plus 2 7, 8 plus 3 11, 11 plus 5 16, 16 plus 8, 8 1 8, 2 16, 8 3 24, carry 2, 6 plus 2 7 8, 3 plus 3 6, 8 plus 6 14, 14 plus 6 equals to 20 minus 1 19, carry 1, 5 plus 1 6, or 7 plus 5 equals to 12, plus 1 13, 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21, sorry, I am doing wrong. 5 plus 1 equals to 6, 7 plus 7 14, 14 plus 6 equals to 20, 20 plus 4 24, carry 2, 2 to 4 plus 1 5. Yes, again I am checking. 5 plus 2 equals to 7, 8 plus 3 equals to 11, 11 plus 8, no, 11 plus 5 equals to 16, 16 plus 8, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 4, carry 2 over here, 6 plus 2 equals to 8, 8 plus 5 equals to 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 9, carry 1, 5 plus 1 equals to 6, 7 plus 7 equals to 14, 14 plus 6 equals to 20, 20 plus 4 equals to 24, carry 2, 2 to 4 plus 1, 5. So rupees 549.47. So total money spent 549. We will write it. You need to again pause the video and you need to write this portion. Amount of money spent $549.47. Amount of money Mr. Sen gave rupees 500. So students, you can see Mr. Sen has gave a less amount of money from which needs or which he needs to pay to the shopkeeper. Okay, so that means what? He needs to, Mr. Sen needs to pay more. Now the amount we need to find, how much he will pay. So how will you find, or how will we find? Therefore, amount of money Mr. Sen has to pay equals to rupees 549.47 minus rupees 500. Rupees 549.47 minus rupees 500. 2 zeros will be there. Okay, so 4.9 minus 0 and 4 minus 0, that means 49.47. So answer is 49.47. That means 49 rupees 47 paise Mr. Sen has to pay. So the answer will be like this. I am writing the answer here. Answer: Mr. Sen has to pay more 49. Okay, more you can write later also. Has to pay rupees 49.47 more. So this will be the final answer. Okay, now you need to practice it. Jai Gurudev.